Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson, Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. I just took in this beautiful 2012 Jeep Liberty Limited, nice silver color, 88,000 miles on it. Silver exterior, black interior. This one's really nicely equipped. It's got the leather power seats in it with also memory seating adjustments there. It does have the Bluetooth, Sirius XM, AM FM radio in it, power windows, power door locks. And then take a look at the back. You got seating for 5 back here, nice wide second row. So got the powered subwoofer as well, and you do have some storage, a little bit of storage under the floor there as well, and you do have the tonneau cover to cover up any belongings. To find out more about this and others like it, contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169, or you can visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.